I would like to welcome you to Research Methodology. Before we engage in the nitty-gritty, I would like to give you an idea of where I come from. As you can see, I am currently lecturing at the Durban University of Technology within the Faculty of Management Sciences. This is me. I'm Dr. Padma Mudli, and I'm a senior lecturer within the Department of Marketing and Retail Management. One of my key areas of specialization is research methodology, and this particular course is actually targeted at BTech level students. These are students who would have completed their diplomas and have now embarked on their Bachelor of Technology degrees. So what will I be doing? I will be providing you with a whole new medium of learning research methodology. This is so that you can manage a difficult course with much ease as possible. I hope to remedy any situations that might arise as a result of misgivings you might have of this course. So what does this mean? It means that RM has a reputation of being difficult. This is mainly because of the concepts and the processes that students are introduced to for the first time. And I guess the unfamiliarity of this tends to be intimidating to students. And as a result of this, many of them do find the course challenging. Before I proceed, I would like to point out a few things, and this will take a few minutes. Let's just go through the ABCs of this brand new approach I've embarked on and see how this will work. The audience dynamics speaks of the students that I will be addressing in this video, and also at what level this particular course will be pitched at. As I have mentioned, it will be targeted at the BTech level students, in as much as these are fourth year students who are embarking on their degrees. Students at this level have a very skeletal knowledge of research methodology. So my approach would be very basic. Yes, this means that the course will be watered down. This is to enable students to grasp difficult concepts from the very foundational levels of research. I will be blending the experience, so this means that part of this course will be delivered online, and students will be required to attend classes which will be held on a Saturday outside of working hours. The constraints that you could experience, I'd like to address as well, and this is mainly in accessing information or even the videos of this particular course. I just want to make sure that students are able to view these videos and do have access to every week's installment that will be posted on this site. This course will adopt an asynchronous approach, which will allow you to access the online content, including the videos, at a time most convenient for you. The design that this course follows is actually based on, well, there's a few things that we need to discuss here. One is your assessment deadlines. You will be given 7 days in which to complete an assessment, and after which the assessment will be due. The duration for this particular course runs over 10 weeks. So every week there will be new concepts of research that will be visited, which you will be assessed on. This is to ensure that students have understood a certain level of the content that has been taught. Okay, so the duration for each session will be no longer than 45 minutes. I don't want you getting bored with my voice. At the same time, I will not want to put you to sleep. So I think 45 minutes will be a fair amount of time in which to engage with you. A brief overview of what awaits you over the next 10 weeks. As you can see, I've given a week-to-week breakdown for each of the key areas in research and what we will need to cover in order to generate a research report. Thank you for listening.